And na-mention ko na, ito yung number 2 natin na tip, structure. So, yung intro mo, yung greeting, paano mo ba nireplyan, whether a teacher, a principal, or you're a salesperson promoting a business. So, how well did you, kasi yung intro, dun mo makakatch yung attention ng diba, ng evaluator. So, siya, hindi to AI scored. So, a person is going to grade you. So, make sure na personal yung reply mo dun sa question.
Unfortunately, wala tayong ChatGPT dyan, ha? So, kailangan talaga.
Yes.
Kailangan talaga, kumbaga, galing sa'yo yung,
galing sa'yo talaga yung kaya, kailangan personal.
Paano kung panay ChatGPT ka nung college? Ngayon, nung pagdating mo na sa self-pip, nangangamuti ka na.
Hindi na Feel free to revise for may ganun kang reply ko.
Lagi ko sa ChatGPT, please improve my paragraph.
Oo. Diba?
Walang ganun sa self-pip. So,